In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove smart chips in Google Sheets. If you've ever pasted an email, a file link, a location, or a date and seen it turn into a little pill-shaped chip, that's a smart chip. They can be helpful, but sometimes you just want plain text. I'll walk you through the quickest built-in way to turn a smart chip back into regular text, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. At the top right of the page, look for the grid icon, the small square made up of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open your list of Google services. From there, choose Sheets. This takes you straight to Google Sheets, where you can see your recent files. Open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Once your document is open, find the cell that contains the smart chip you want to remove. You'll recognize a smart chip because it looks different from normal text. It might show an avatar for a person, a small document icon for a file, or a stylized pill for a date or event. Right-click directly on that cell to bring up the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a dedicated right-click, you can usually press Ctrl while you click, or use a two-finger tap. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over the Smart Chips option. Don't click yet, just hover. This will open a side menu with more choices specifically for chips. In that side menu, click Remove Smart Chip. The moment you do, Google Sheets converts the chip back into plain text. For example, a file chip will become the file name as text, an email chip will show the address as text, and a date chip will display the date without the chip styling. Nothing is deleted. You're simply removing the special formatting so you can copy, sort, or format the information like any other text. If you don't see the Smart Chips option when you right-click, double-check that you're clicking a cell that actually has a chip. Sometimes a cell looks linked but isn't a chip, or your cursor might be on the wrong cell. If you remove a chip by accident, just use Undo to bring it back. Repeat the same process for any other cells that contain chips. Right-click the cell, hover over Smart Chips, then choose Remove Smart Chip. That's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly strip smart chips from your data and keep your spreadsheet clean and flexible. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Google Sheets.